class 7, open up your books on the poem, The Mystery Fan. We have to do that. Yes, we have read the poem. Now today, we are going to do the question answers of the poem. Please open up your books. The poem is after Expert Detectives. Now coming up to the question answers part, let us see. The first one is complete the following sentences. The chatter is electrical because, why it is electrical? Because the fan functions with the help of electricity and it has an electrical motor. Okay, write down the answer, please. Because the fan works with electricity. Why it is an electrical chatter? Because the fan works with electricity and it has an electrical motor. Because still you haven't brought your book. This is third day. You are without book. Yes, tomorrow you must have. It has an electrical motor. This is the reason why it's an electrical chatter, right? The next one is, it is mysterious because, why it is mysterious? Yes, why it was noisy, or the poet was not able to understand that why the fan was making noise. Okay, so you can write it in your own words. This can be done on the book only. This can be done on the book only. Why it was mysterious, you tell me. Because it was, why it was making noise. Why he did not understand. That though he understood later on. It was mysterious because the poet was not able to understand why it was making noise. Okay, why it was making noise and what it wanted to say. Right? Clear this answer? Yes, Puranjay, tell me what you have written. Your Puranjay? Pranav, sorry, Pranav. Yes, Pranav, tell me what you have written. It was not. Sit down.
The fan was demanding to be oiled properly so that it can work properly.
He wanted, it was mysterious because he did not want to understand why it was making noise.
It was not able to understand that
why the fan was making noise, right? Yes? Huh? But a second question, second part, where dash are given and you have to do it in your book only. No need to write down in notebook. Yes, these two parts we have done. Next, afterwards, next question, from here you will write in your notebooks. The question is, what do you think the talking fan was demanding? Yes. Some oil, very good. The talking fan, but that's it. The talking fan was demanding some oil as it was making noise. You have already written so that it can work or rotate properly, right? So what it was demanding? It was demanding some oil so that it can walk, or so that it can work or rotate properly. So that it can work or rotate properly. Right now? Clear? Okay, fine. Next one. How does an electric fan manage to throw so much air when it is switched on? Yes, beta. Yes. Right? So what you will write down? Very good answer. Good. The electric fan manages to throw so much of air because it comprises of 3 blades, or it is made up of 3 blades, or it contains 3 different blades. Because it comprises of, comprises means it contains. Because it comprises of 3 blades. Okay, and when the motor is turned on or when the fan is switched on, the electric motor of fan rotate these blades, okay, cutting the air present. So when we switch on, what happens when we switch on the electric fan? Then what happens? The motor starts rotating the fan. Motor makes the fan run. The motor starts rotating the fan, and the blades, what the blades used to do? They cut the air in the room, and the blades cut the air in the room and produces air to blow. Then what happened, beta? You know that when the blades cut the air, then what happened? The blades cut the air and making the air to blow. BLOW, blow, to move, making the air to blow. Making the air to blow. Next, third question. Only 3 questions are there that you have to write down in notebook. Is there a talking fan in your house? Talking fan means the fan which is making noise. Is there any talking fan? No. So you will write down, no, there is not any talking fan in my house. All the fans are properly oiled from time to time. Right? You don't have book again. No, there is not any talking fan in my house. Why? As all the fans are oiled properly from time to time. Okay, create a dialogue. Now, yes. You have to write a dialogue between a fan and a mechanic. Suppose these last three. Okay, now you have to create a dialogue. Now create a dialogue. First of all, what are the main parts of the dialogue? First of all, you greet each other. Say good morning, good evening. Okay, then you ask about each other. Okay, suppose you go to your friend's house, what you do? Hello, how are you? He will also say, hello, I'm fine. What about you? You say, yes, I'm fine. Okay, then your friend say, but no, I'm not feeling well, or I have this problem. Then what happened? You will give solution to that problem. Okay, suppose your friend says, I'm feeling tired, or I'm not doing well in my subjects. Then your friend will give you suggestion. Okay, then you can go, or you can spend some extra time in reading. You will get this help, and I will provide you this help, and then your problem will be sorted out. Then what your friend will? Huh? This is what I'm discussing. Stand up. Stand up. Yes, what are you saying? हाँ.
मैम एग्जांपल दे रहे हैं.
So ultimately, then the problem of your friend will be sorted out. Okay, and your friend will say, oh, thanks a lot. Okay, you helped me a lot, right? So similarly, in this manner, we have to write a question about a dialogue between a friend and mechanic. Okay, so how will you write? Let me give you an idea. Now we are going to write down a dialogue between a fan and a mechanic. It means 2 main characters, fan and mechanic. Okay, fan will come. Hello, I'm here. Okay, hello, I'm here. Or he will say, hello, dear mechanic, how are you? Mechanic will say, hello, I'm fine, but you are not looking well. Okay, fan will say, yes, I'm making a lot of noise. Okay, there is some problem with me. Mechanic says, what's the problem? Let me find out. Okay, now the fan keeps on moving and moving. Then what happened? The mechanic says, oh, your motor is making noise. You need some oiling. Fan says, there is nobody in the house who will take care of me. No one. What I told you on that day, I told on that day personification. नहीं दिया था ना? This is just an example. Suppose okay, fan actually does not verb speak, but here we are taking it as कि वो बोलता है. Personification, right? So now you come to know why you are sitting on first desk. You will come to know. अब आपको देखो आइडिया आया ना. अब आप फर्स्ट डेस्क पे बैठे तो आपका माइंड वर्क किया ना. पहले नहीं आपने पूछा. Right? This is good for you. So now, so then there is no, fan will say, there is nobody in the house who will take care of me. Mechanic says, no, don't worry. I have come to take care of you. Here is some oil. And then what happened? The mechanic, he poured 2 to 3 drops of oil in the electric motor. Okay? The chattering sound of the fan फिर क्या कहेगा, उसकी chattering sound बंद हो गई ना. Fan will say, oh, I'm so relaxed. Now I'm not making any noise. Right? Mechanic says, yes, this is my magic. And finally, fan says, thank you very much. You relieved my problem and I'm feeling quite relaxed. Thank you very much. And come to my house to oil me often. Yes, this dialogue you have to write down in your notebooks. Now clear? It's a very simple one. You were writing dialogue writing in your class 6th or 5th also. In the same manner, you have to write down. No. So where you have to write down a dialogue writing between a fan and a mechanic. Now, yes, beta, in fair notebook. You have to write it in your fair notebook. So that's all clear to you all, right? Now coming up to the next part, that is grammar part. Okay, in grammar you have narration, and in the exams I was so disappointed with your attempt of narration. Okay, direct indirect speech. In class so much of revision was given, but still you people were not able to do. Right now, don't open up your fair notebooks. Firstly, you only understand. Today I'm just making you revise the old one, because after that we are going to do the interrogative ones. वो आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आपको बेसिक याद आ जाएंगे. ठीक है? So let us revise. The only thing is that Arjun, you are talking now. The only thing is that now you have to pay attention towards the board. Kanish, you please pay attention. Now, in case of narration, remember that there are certain rules that we have to follow. Okay. Now, in the first, you can say term, we have done that when the reporting verb is in simple present or simple future, then tense of the reported speech doesn't change. For example, he says. He says because here this reporting verb says simple present tense, so no change in tense. He says that he is his good friend. Now he will say no need to write, just understand from the board. He will say, I write a letter, because here is stop, wrong. No. No, wrong. Beta. Yes. Stop, wrong. Everyone is wrong. Now, no more discussion. Now listen to me carefully. What is the rule? Put your hands down, everyone. Remember, one of the simple thing is that when this is in simple present says था और यहाँ पे क्या है will say, means simple future tense. Then inside in reported speech there is no change in tense. What is there? There is only change of pronouns. What is there? There is only change of pronouns. There is no change of tense. What is there?
There is only change in pronouns, not.
Yes, speak out this rule when simple present tense or simple future tense is in reporting verb. Speak.
There is a change in pronoun, not in tense.
Beta, what I'm saying, why don't you speak that? When reporting verb is in simple present tense or simple future tense, speak. There is no change in tense.
There is no change in tense.
There is only change of pronouns.
There is only change of pronoun.
So what is the first rule? Speak louder. When reporting verb there is only change of pronouns. अब देखो, see the trick, how easy it is. Here he says is there, write in the same manner. He says. Okay, you replace inverted commas with that. Okay, then he will remain he. Is will remain is. ऐसे same ही आपने लिख देना है, right? He says that he is, my will change into his. He is his good friend. I said that there is only change of pronouns. Change of pronouns तो आपको आते ही है ना? You have done. Okay, SON rule. First subject changes according. First person changes according to subject. Second person changes according to object, and third person no change. अब he था ना? थर्ड तो नो चेंज आया ना. ओके, माई फर्स्ट पर्सन. अब हमारा सब्जेक्ट क्या है? ही, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो हिज हो गया, राइट? ओके, नाउ सेकंड वन, ही विल से, राइट? ही विल से, नो चेंज. फिर दैट, आई का क्या हो जाएगा? ही. देन टेंस नहीं हमने चेंज करना. विच टेंस इज? सिंपल प्रेजेंट. सिंपल प्रेजेंट से लिखो ही writes, because singular के साथ हम क्या लगाते हैं? s और es. What we write with singular is s or es. He writes a letter. Is this different? Is this difficult? But in paper you have made this wrong also. The thing was only that you people not have paid attention while you were studying at your home. अब आप यहाँ पे आए हो तब आप सबकी आंखें खुल गई. Yes, right? Clear now? The second rule is when there is universal truth, habitual fact, or you can say historical fact, then also tense does not change. ये simple वाले rules and this you have done in your class 6. Okay, for example, Suppose I write down give it to me. Now next time when this will happen, throw it in dustbin, whether the pen or pencil, whatever it is. Yes. So now see towards the board. The example I have written. It is universal truth. Then again there is no change. These are very simple to make. We need not to change anything. So simple. So simple it is. Stand up, you boy. Stand up. Go to that next desk, which is vacant. Yes. Okay. Right. So it means that these are very simple. These three rules are very simple. Now, when we have to change the tense, when reporting verb is in past tense, said ho, said to ho, only then we will change. Right? Now, अब मैं rules बोलूंगी तो देखना, you will keep on remembering. First of all, simple present tense is changing to. No, please go back. Simple present tense is changing to. For example, he said. See, 1 minute. Put your hands down. See, Kanish, stand up. आप इधर हो जाओ बेटा. आप इधर हो जाओ, Kanish. Where is your rough notebook? Open it out and write down side by side. Now see, I write a letter. The same example I have given here. But what is the difference? I have changed said. It means when there is simple past tense. When there is simple past tense, then what is there? Then ultimately what will happen when there is simple past tense? Simple, then there is change of tenses. Right? जब said है, said to है, then we are changing the tenses. This you all know. You also know that said to is changed to told, except 1 or 2 students in the class. Said to is changed to told. Right. Now here this is which tense? See the tense here in the reported speech. I write a letter. It is which tense? It is simple present tense. Now simple present tense will change into simple past. बस आपने इतनी बात याद रखनी है. So how it will be changed? He I will change into silence. Silence. I have seen you. Stop now. Stop now. First desk means complete concentration. Concentrate here. So how it will be changed? He said that he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Now, not many examples I am giving because our main target is interrogative sentences. This is just revision. Okay, when we'll do after completing interrogative, then I will give you many examples. Grammar. Next, present continuous tense is changing to past continuous tense. Present continuous tense is changing. So, class 7, that's all for today.